Hi everybody, today we are going to solve the examples related to Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, in that we have to find the value of square root of 153 using Lagrange's interpolation formula, and in this example it is given the values of x 150, 152, 154 and 156, and y is equal to root x. That means our function is a root x and its values are 12.247, 12.329, 12.410, 12.490 at corresponding values of x. Okay, so first of all we will write the values of x and y. So it is given that x naught we will define as 150, x1 is equal to 152, x2 is equal to 154 and x3 is equal to 156. Okay, and values of y, corresponding value of x naught is y naught is 12.247, y1 is equal to 12.329, y2 is equal to 12.410 and y3 is equal to 12.490. Okay, first we define on the values of x and y. Now our Lagrange's interpolation formula is Lagrange's interpolation formula is here. Lagrange's interpolation formula is yg is equal to y naught into L naught plus y1 into L1 plus y2 into L2 plus here it is up to y3 into L3. That means we have to find, we will write it in the form value of L0 is x, given value of x, or x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3, because up to x3 values are given, divided by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3, okay, into y0 plus, okay, this is our first L0 value. L1 will be here x minus x0 into x minus, we have to delete x1, so x0, after x0 it will be x2 and after it will be x minus x3, divided by, we have to subtract x1 minus x0, that means we will replace x by x1 here, x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3 into y1, and third term plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x3, divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x3 into y2, and the last term is of y3 into L3 is x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2, divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1 into x3 minus x2 into y3. Okay, and here we have to find square root of 153, that means we have to given that, also given here x should be considered as 153 and we have to find y as a question mark. We will consider yg or xg also here. Okay, now we will put the values of x, x1, x2, x3, x0 and all x also. So here it will become, now first x minus x1, that means value of, given value of x is 153, so 153 minus x1, x1 is 152, next 153 minus x2 is 154, next 153 minus x3 is 156, okay, divided by x0, value of x0 is 150, so here it will be 150 minus 152, 150 minus 154, 150 minus 156, it will be same as second value will be same here, only first value will be changes in numerator and denominator of all. Here y0 is 12 into 12.247. okay, so this is our first calculation here, plus now second x minus x0, our value of x is 153, so it is 153 minus x0 is 150 into 153 minus x2 is 154, and last 153 minus 156 divided by, now we have to subtract which value, x1 is 152, so we will be 152 minus 150, 152 minus 152 minus 154 and 152 minus 156 into 12 point, what is the value of y1 here, 12.329. okay, next plus, here it is a x minus x0, that means 153 minus x0 is 150, next x minus x1, which is 153 minus x1 is 152, and last 153 minus x3 is 156, okay, divided by, now x2 is 154, so here 154 minus 150, 154 minus 152 and 154 minus 156 multiplied by 12 point, because value of y2 is 12.410, okay, and last it is this term, so 153 minus 150, next 153 minus 152, next 153 minus 154, okay, divided by, here 156, x3 is 156, here given above 156, so 156 minus 150, 156 minus 152 and 156 minus 154 multiplied by its last value is y3 is 12.490. okay, so this is our calculation. Now we will use a calculator here. We will first find numerator, it will be 153 minus 150 multiplied by, or you may write here multiplication notation, 153 minus 152, it is 152 multiplied by 153 minus 156, and it is here multiplied by 12.247, okay, this multiplication we have done, this whole multiplication is equal to, and it is divided by, which answer numerator is divided by 152 minus 150 minus 152 multiplied by or we will here make another bracket also, or we will directly, now here we have to make when we are doing calculation on calci, we have to make some here calculations clear such that it will be not given errors, okay. So here if you write 150 minus 152 into 150 minus it is 154, it will be our wrong calculation, okay. So you have to here make a calculation in such a manner, that means our denominator should be in one single bracket, okay. So here I am taking a bracket, and into bracket again second bracket, it will be first bracket 150 minus 152, okay. Next multiplied by 150 minus 154 154 multiplied by 150 minus 156. Okay, so here our denominator is over, so we will complete our bracket here. Okay, so our whole denominator will be in a single bracket, which will be gives us our calculation minus 0.7654. Okay, so this is our first calculation of first term. Okay, now here we have to make a calculation of this part. Similar way we can find 153 minus 150 multiplied by 153 minus 154 multiplied by 153 minus 156. Okay, so here our numerator's terms of this is over, which is equal to 9. This calculation will give 9 and multiplied by 12.329. Okay, this is our numerator, and we have to divide it by denominator. It is 152. First term is, so first we will take single bracket, and next it will be 152. We have to make another bracket in which first term 152 minus 150, second bracket 152 minus 154, next 152 minus 156. Okay, and we have to complete our this bracket is completed, 152 minus 156, and we have started a bracket, so it will be complete here. So our answer will be 6.9350 plus 6.93, you may write 50625, that means you can write 51 also, or you may write 50 as it is. Okay, plus next term same you can solve. Here it is a 153 minus, here we are going to solve this, minus 150 multiplied by 153 minus 152 multiplied by 153 minus 156. Okay, multiplied by 12.410. Okay, which will gives us the value minus 111.69, and divided by, now again its first bracket is 154 minus 150 into 154 minus 152 into 154 minus 156, which is equal to, we have to make a bracket complete here, and which will gives us 6.9806, and last term is here same as it is, 153 minus 150 first bracket, second bracket 153 minus 152 multiplied by 153 minus 154. Okay, multiplied by 12.490. Okay, is equal to, which is our numerator, and it is divided by, we have to make double bracket for first, 156 minus 150, next bracket 156 minus 152, next bracket 156 minus 154. Okay, and bracket complete, which gives us minus 0.7806. Okay, now we will calculate all of this calculation. So minus 0.7654 plus 6.9350 plus 6.9806 minus 0.7806. Okay, so it will gives us the answer 12.3696, 12.3696, which is our value of y. Okay, that means we have find at x is equal to 153 implies y is equal to 12.3696, or you may write square root of 153 is equal to 12.3696, okay, which is our required answer. Okay, so for today we will stop here. You must see the examples related to Lagrange's interpolation. Okay, so thank you for today.